I first discovered this jewelry cleaner when I took my favorite beaded necklace back to the boutique where I bought it. The clasp had turned quite dark and tarnished, and I was actually looking to replace the closure entirely because I thought it was ruined. But right before my eyes, the jeweler dipped the metal piece into this liquid for just a single second, and it instantly looked brand new. I took a picture of the bottle right away so I could find the exact same one for myself. As you can see, you really only need a tiny amount for it to work. Honestly, I even poured a bit too much into the container here. You simply dip your piece, wait a couple of seconds, and watch the tarnish disappear. After dipping, I always make sure to wash the jewelry thoroughly with soap and water, and I usually like to gently brush it with a soft toothbrush to ensure it is completely clean. The shine it restores to my silver pieces and rings is incredible. However, it is very important to follow the safety guidelines for this product. While it works wonders for sterling silver, gold, and sturdy metals, you have to be careful with gemstones. It is not safe for porous stones or delicate organic materials like pearls, opal, turquoise, or coral, as the formula can damage their natural surface. But for bringing the shine back to metal chains, rings, and tarnished clasps, this has become a staple in my routine.